स्टार्ट ये शुरुआत सोचो लोकल बनो ग्लोबल हर प्रॉब्लम का है सोल्यूशन मिलकर करें एक नई शुरुआत इनोवेशन से निकले विकसित भारत की बात दिस इज इंडिया ये भारत मेरी जान भर लो उड़ान छू लो आसमान नए
Hello everyone, my name is Nilay, my name is Vijay, and my name is Nidhi. We are students of class 12 from GSS Nagipura and our team name is Kadamania Skill. We are excited to present our model for the Viksit Bharat Dagan 2025 under the theme Vocal for Local. Our project is called Eco Home Decor. During West Indipidi, we have decorated beautiful decorative flowers, vases using West plastic bottle, newspaper, jute and cardboard. Instead of throwing these materials away, we reuse them to design colorful and creative home decor items. The golden vase you see here was once used as plastic bottle. We cut, shape and paint it to look attractive. The flowers are made from lace, tissue paper and colored paper. The other plastic folder is called jute, showing how local and natural materials can replace plastic decoration. Our aim is to promote eco-friendly living and local craftsmanship. This project teaches us that we don't always need to buy expensive decor from the market.
We can create our own with a little imaginations and local resources. Some advantages of our model are it helps in reducing waste and protecting our environment. It supports local and handmade products. It encourages reliance and creativity in line with the visions of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Through this project, we learned that waste is not useless, it's just a resource in disguise. So let's all be vocal for local and make our surrounding more beautiful.